So in this question, we need to find out which of these reaction fails for this method. As we know, this method is used for the quantitative determination of nitrogen contained in inorganic substances plus the nitrogen contained in inorganic substances such as ammonia and ammonia. So if we look at the first reaction, we will get the compound this, and we have NH4 here. So this definitely passes. If we look at the second reaction, we would have NH3 added over here, so this is also good. But however, if we look at the third reaction, we will have benzene we will have CH3 CHO plus NH2Cl. So this definitely is not what we are looking for. However, if you look at the fourth reaction here, we will have compound similar to that, but we will have ions over here. So this is also reaction C fails and reaction D fails. So the option that is correct is third.